Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I will discuss with you regarding OET speaking. So this is a case note, and in this case note mainly there is three component in OET speaking. First is setting, second is background history, and the third one is the task. So in OET speaking, when we get up our OET role play, we will give 3 minutes so that we can ready our speaking. Okay, so in these 3 minutes we can underline the task words like confirm and explore, reassure, emphasis, and explain. It will easy for us during our speaking so that we can use these words effectively. Okay, so now I will start with my OET role play. So we'll start this role play as good morning. My name is Raman Gill. I'm one of the registered nurses working in this medical clinic. For the confirmation, may I know your name, please? Okay, and the patient will reply yes, that my name is Sarah. Okay, so then we can ask another question like this. Okay, Sarah, could you please tell me the reason for your visit? Okay, and the first task is confirm reason for the appointment, and in this bracket points are self-administered administering injections for diabetes, advice, and observation. Okay, so we can also ask this question like this: if I'm not wrong, Sarah, you are here for the advice on self-administering insulin injection, is that correct? Okay, we can ask this question in two ways. Okay, like this: first one is could you please tell me the reason for your visit, and another one is if I am not wrong, Sarah, you are here for the advice and on the self-administering injection, insulin injection, is that correct? Okay, and the next is find out how patient feel about insulin injection. Okay, so we can ask from the patient like this: before moving further, could you please tell me how are you feeling regarding insulin injection? Okay, so then the patient will say that I am hesitating or I am an anxiety and all that. So we can ask the patient like this in second task: explore reason for patient anxiety like injecting process, fear of pain or needles, etc. Okay, so we can ask from the patient, well, please elaborate the reason for your anxiety. Okay, so we can ask or construct the sentence like this. Okay, next, as the patient tell us that he is or she is having the problem like injecting process or from the fear of pain or needle, then we can say thank you for letting me know. Okay, and then we start, well, Sarah, next third task is reassure patient about managing insulin, example clear instruction, easy with practice. Okay, etc. So we can construct this phrase like this: well, Sarah, I assure you about your injecting management that firstly clear instruction will be provided to you, and secondly with practice it will be more easier for you to administer the injection. How does that sound to you? So like this we can construct this sentence. Okay, so mainly we can use passive voice in OET speaking. It will help you to achieve more marks. Okay, stress importance of insulin injection, like example faster absorption into bloodstream, not broken down into the stomach, and more effective, etc. Okay, so we can construct like this when patient say that all these things, like I assure the patient, so after that patient will say that he or she feel good, then we can say now I would like to explain you regarding importance of insulin injection, may I? So like this, Sarah, insulin injection is faster to observe in the bloodstream. However, it will not broken down in stomach. Also, it is more effective in your case as your blood sugar have been high. So we can construct like this. Okay. Next is the fourth task, that is emphasis. In this, emphasis injection are best option available, like example current management not working, etc. So we can say like this: Sarah, I highly recommend you that injections are best option available as your current management is not working, is that clear to you? Okay, so we can also ask the like this, checking the understanding of the patient. Is that clear to you? Okay. So now the next one is, another one is explain injection giving process, like example washing and drying hand, pinching skin, insertion of needle 45 to 90-degree angle, leaving in place 5 to 10 seconds, etc. So like this we can say, now I would like to explain you the process regarding injection giving. Okay, firstly, like we can start with the sequential connectors, firstly, secondly and thirdly, because it is a process. So we can say, firstly, wash and dry your hand, then pinch the skin. After that, insert the needle up to 45 to 90-degree angle, and lastly leave in place for 5 to 10 seconds. So we can also ask the patient, are you getting my point? Because it is a process and we have explained to the patient, so we can check the knowledge of the patient or understanding of the patient. We can use, are you getting my point? Okay, so this is a process. Next is describe need to rotate injection site. Example, preventing formation of lumps, risk of less insulin absorption, etc. So we can say, along with this, I would like to tell you that the importance of injection site rotation is very important, as it will help in preventing the formation of the lumps at the injection site, as well as risk of less insulin absorption. Means insulin will be absorbed effectively, okay, with the rotation. So we can construct the sentence like this. Okay, so after that, the last task is explain importance of safe needle disposal. Example, suitable container, proper care and handling, etc. So we can say, moving further, I will explain the importance of safe needle disposal, as needle must be put in suitable container with proper care and handling. Is that okay? Okay, we can also ask from the patient. Okay, then next is outline insulin storage. Example, refrigerator, unopened insulin, not exposed to sunlight, high temperature, and checking expiry date, etc. So we can say another thing, Sarah. Now I would like to tell you the another thing. Keep in mind, always store insulin in refrigerator and unopened. Also prevent it from sunlight exposure and from high temperature. Also check the expiry date before use. Are you following me? Okay, then we can say like this. And at last, establish patient willingness to observe self-injecting. Okay, now we will take the willingness of the patient. So we can say, Sarah, are you willing to be observed self-injecting injection now? Then she will reply yes. We can say, thank you for your willingness. And at last we can say, I hope I have cleared your doubt. If you need any assistance, I will be happy to assist you. Okay, so guys, I hope I have cleared your doubt also. So thank you for watching my videos. Please do subscribe and like my channel for more information regarding OET speaking. Thank you.